Mashed potatoes have always been my least favorite thing to make on Thanksgiving. It has always taken so much time. Not anymore. I've found that the Instant Pot is the fastest way to cook mashed potatoes. Start by peeling your potatoes. I also cube mine so that I can fit more into the pot, but you could leave them whole. Add some water to the Instant Pot. I used a cupful. Then sprinkle some salt over the top, put the lid on, make sure the vent is closed so that the Instant Pot can come up to pressure. Press manual and set your cook time for 8 minutes. I forgot to film the Instant Pot when the potatoes finished cooking, so I've inserted a video from when I cooked a pot roast to show how I release the pressure in order to open the lid when your potatoes are finished cooking. To do this, just use a silicone spatula or a wooden spoon to turn the vent to steam. Don't use your hands because it will burn you. Let it continue to steam until the Instant Pot has released all the pressure. You'll be able to open the lid once the pressure has returned to normal. I whip my potatoes with a hand mixer. Add as much cream or milk and butter to get the consistency your family likes. And whatever other seasonings your family prefers, add those while you're whipping them up. Happy Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching.